Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set called Blooming Phrases. My card base is 11 inches by 4 1/4. I am going to cut off one piece that is 1.5 inches. I'm going to push the card along. I'm going to get to 2.5. I'm going to slice that down. And then my last piece, I'm going to push that card over and I'm going to score at 1.5. This card base is Pool Party. And I will be utilizing the designer series paper called Floral Impressions for this card. So I'm going to burnish, fold and burnish that score line. And then I'm going to adhere an inside white piece. This is sized 4 by 5 1/4. Of course, you don't have to write anything down. You can pick up the PDF on my blog. There is a direct link to that blog post so that you can find out what we're doing. All right, so this pattern paper, again, I said it's Floral Impressions. We have two pieces that are 1 1/4 inches by 4 for the top and the bottom. And then the middle piece is 2 1/4 inches by 4. So I'm just going to fit those little strips of paper onto the cardstock for the loose one there, and that one would go at the bottom just like I'm showing you, and then this one goes at the top. Can you imagine those very pretty flower? It's so springtime. So this, I mean, you can use different colored papers, like have them, coordinate and offset, whatever you want. I decided to use all three. And then basically this one is going to bridge that gap from the top to the bottom. So I'm holding down the top and the bottom. I'm putting the middle piece on, trying to get it as middle as I can. And then that is it's not necessarily a fun fold, but it certainly is a different type of a card. So I'm using Misty Moonlight for my ink, and then I die cut some more, I actually fussy cut some of the flowers out of that Floral Impression designer series paper. I'm adhering it on a stitched circle, and the second one I'm putting on with mini dimensionals. And then of course I'll put dimensionals on that circle, and I'll adhere that to the card front. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube or in the supply section of my blog post, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.